buy to let, short-term holiday let, HMO, rent to rent, purpose-built student accommodation, BRR, property crowdfunding, real estate investment trust. Let's clear this out once and for all. Rent to rent is not a strategy. BRR is. Serviced accommodation, that's not even property investment. That is a property business. So, why does everyone keep mixing these up? Today, I'll break it down plain and simple and show you how to align your objective to your niche and goal. Whether you're into commercial spaces, HMO, or care facilities, by the end of this video, you would finally know what type of investor you are or want to be. It's all about understanding your why, your what, and your how. This will help you move with so much clarity. Your why. This is your overarching vision, your goal. And what? This is your objective, specific and measurable outcome. How is your strategy. This is your method to achieve your goal and your objective. Let's start with your why. Think of it like a direction your property journey is heading. You really got two options here, long or short term. A long-term investor would usually have goals like create generational wealth, leave a legacy, or build a retirement plan. A more social-driven person will have goals like seeing the housing crisis or short supply of good rental property. I want to focus on bringing back uninhabitable properties into supply. This will help reduce urban decay and improve neighborhood pride. Such an investor will be leaning towards buying or building to hold, which is your typical buy to let or hold for income strategy. You're taking on a ready-made properties or a property to add value to, you keep it and earn long-term cash flow. But for a short-term investor, they will be generally looking to replace their income with property earnings, or looking to drastically change their immediate lifestyle. Some of them will have goals like quit my job in 6 months or buy freedom immediately so I can do whatever I want. So they would normally lean towards flipping properties or buying, refurbing, and refinancing to quickly get their money back out. The aim is normally cash flow, quick drawdown, and that's it. Creating value, selling it on, and cash out. They are technically trading property. The aim is turnover and high cash flow drawdown. A good property objective should be SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. As an investor, I want to acquire 2 cash-flowing buy-to-let properties in Bristol by December 2026, each property generating a minimum net yield of 7% after all expenses. I would like to achieve £1,000 net monthly passive income. This clearly helps you define your niche and strategy. It could be residential, HMO, refurb, buying ready-made, or buying rundown. My strategy and tactics should help me achieve my property goal. BRR, buy, refurbish, refinance. You buy a property requiring a lot of work, add value, refinance, or recycle your cash. It suits someone who's got a lot of time, money, and experience. Buy to let. You buy a house, you hold it for rental income. This works for commercial or residential. It works for someone who wants to be as passive as possible, but the returns on investment is generally the lowest. Property flipping. Essentially, you're buying a property below market value, you're renovating it or improving it, and you're selling it quickly for profit. You can't do this without experience, time, and creative financing. It is very, very hands-on. And you're not collecting assets with this type of strategy. You're turning them over for cash. Have you liked and subscribed yet? If you've ever felt confused about what to focus on, this is your clarity moment. Define your goal. This is your passion and drive. Align it to your objective. This is your measurable outcome that you expect from property. Then pick a strategy that either fits your current lifestyle or one that inconveniences you now but moves you quicker to that goal or objective. Each of the property investment strategies and tactics offers its own unique advantages. From the reliable income provided by buy-to-let to the quick returns of flipping and the societal benefits of providing social housing to support local and national initiatives. Whether you're looking for immediate cash to live the life of your dream, or you're on a journey to build generational wealth, there is something for you in property. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's build wealth brick by brick. I'll see you on the next one.